Hi everybody, it's now 12:35 and 41 seconds on September 19th. As I hope everybody saw, the previous time I attempted to do this, random just froze. I never got past the first roll. I never did the first roll, I should say. That video is posted in the comments section. But without further ado, this is hopefully the drawing for Daredevils 158 and 168. Over here on the left, again, are the 16 filled spots. And I'm going to have to put another space in Chris's name. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 13. So I'm going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get the books. It will ship tomorrow, the 20th. Here we go. That's 1. And it worked. Yay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13, spot 1, Chris Carver. Congratulations. Time is 12:36 and 50.